In a land where forces are constantly at war, there is one to bring them all together.
A net force is the combination of all the forces acting upon an object. When an object is being affected by two different forces, the direction and magnitude of the movement are determined by the net force. These forces can come from all different sources, such as gravity and friction, but today we will be specifically looking at the forces of gravity and an applied force. In rock climbing, one of the most important elements is the belay, the person standing below with the rope to prevent the climber from falling. The belay works with a pulley system to help suspend the climber above the ground. The rope in the system is an applied force working against the force of gravity. This is a belay system. The person on belay can vary the amount of friction by adjusting the length of the ropes, and this, in combination with the force the person on belay puts on the rope, is the applied force, which we will call F of B for this demonstration. This is Shayla. She has a mass of approximately 75 kilograms. This, multiplied by the acceleration of gravity at negative 9.81 meters per second squared, gives us a force of gravity equaling negative 735 newtons. As Shayla climbs the wall, the forces of the belay and gravity are of little importance. However, as she loses her grip and falls, these forces and the net force are very important. Gravity is now pulling her down with a force of negative 735 newtons, and without something to hold her up, she will fall. This is where the belay comes in. In order for Shayla's descent to be halted, F of B must be equal to or greater to 735 newtons, making our net force 0 or positive. As you can see, the belay effectively stops her movement downward and keeps her stationary in the air. The applied force of the belay is equal to the force of gravity, and the net force of the system is 0 newtons. Once again, the belay system works to effectively neutralize the force of gravity, saving Shayla from falling to the earth. Once she starts climbing again, the belay takes up her slack, keeping the net force positive as she ascends the wall. The belay helps her reach the top safely, where she embarks on a new adventure in net force, but that is for another lesson.
All the way.
The reward for Shayla's hard work is an exhilarating ride to the bottom, where she can begin all over again.